Hello there, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a trade-in. We've just recently taken in on trade, a fresh one, 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan with an automatic power rear entry, push-button, remote control, power rear entry, wheelchair accessible vehicle. Wheelchair accessible ramp, deploys automatically at the push of a button. Here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, we've been in business for over 30 years. We actually sold this one back in the day when it was brand new, and it's got 128,000 miles on it. And when we take in a Freedom Motors trade-in, what we do is we go through and redo it with the whole floor. So the ramp, the floor, the springs, everything's brand new. Brand spanking new. Wheelchair accessible van. I'm not sure on pricing. We just took this in, but I'm assuming this is going to be a really low price. We have vehicles that range from $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000, depending if you get a Suburban or Silverado or Yukon. But this one here is an entry-level, low price one. It's got bucket seats. Brand new floor, just got finished. Beautiful, very, very, very clean. Very clean. Bucket seats. Rear air conditioning. Power windows, locks, tilt, cruise. It's pretty basic. It's not really a lot of bells and whistles. Pretty entry-level, economical, low price. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, this is just one of many we have in stock. It's a push button, automatic. Within seconds, it's closed and you're on your way. Automatic rear entry, wheelchair vehicle. Here at Freedom Motors, we have a huge selection, 200 and some vehicles in stock, with a huge variety of cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, crossovers, Chevy Silverado, Chevy Suburbans, Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls. A lot of them you can transfer right into the driver's seat and drive right from your wheelchair, or transfer into the driver's seat from your wheelchair. Really cool. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Visit our website at freedommotors.com. Please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.